Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, afraid, uncertain, bored, tired, lonely, perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths together and see if we can come back to trust, see if we can come back to self-love, see if we can embrace the challenges that lie ahead with more positivity, releasing negativity, coming back into the present moment. That being said, get comfortable. Get in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, extending your spine, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. You can gently close the eyes, bringing your attention inside. Becoming aware of how you feel, not rejecting any emotions, witnessing and welcoming like old friends. You know, me and anger go way back, me and anxiety go way back, me and scarcity go way back. Today we come back to love and trust. Relaxing your face, bringing a smile, visualizing your mind smiling, your chest and your stomach with the smile, visualizing your anxiety smiling, your loneliness, your despair, with a smile. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Keeping aware of your posture as you breathe in. And exhale, relaxing. Feeling your belly relaxed, shoulders relaxed, hands and feet relaxed as you breathe in. And breathe out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling love. Exhale, letting go of fear. Breathing in trust. And exhaling, letting go of insecurities. Feeling scarcity, leave the mind, leave the body. Coming back into the abundance of what life really is. Unlimited. Unbounded. Feeling yourself open to more prosperity, more health and abundance. As you breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and exhale, breathing in, exhale, inhaling 3 times, exhaling 3 times. Now following my rhythm. Full body breathes in and full body exhales. Inhaling, holding the breath at the top. And exhaling, letting go. Dropping the shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your belly, relaxing your fears, letting go of the past, letting go of the future, coming back into the gift of this present moment, feeling rooted in your body, love for your mind, love for your pain, having compassion for the suffering that is being a human. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale, letting go. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think, allowing your mind to be totally free. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, aware of your posture, opening your chest, relaxing the belly, relaxing the face, taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. closed eyes, remembering that you're safe to close the eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming yourself. As you are. Witnessing and welcoming this moment as it is. Letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift. Coming back into your breath. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. So happy to have you joining me today. Wishing you a beautiful day. Wishing that your eyes be clear to see more beauty that is already here. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in joyfulness. Exhaling despair, letting it go. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling, letting go of the inner critic. Taking a deep breath. And exhale, letting go, releasing, softening. Relaxing the face, the belly, opening your heart. Breathing in light. And exhale, letting go of darkness inside. Negativity, feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is white. The number is a 00. And the animal is a bald eagle. Flying high in the sky. It's my wish for you today to rise above the pain and to see it from a bird's eye view, not getting swept away, but seeing beyond it, knowing that this pain comes and goes, this anxiety comes and goes, but your awareness is here to stay. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Wishing you an incredible day. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Wishing you an abundance of love for yourself. Pushing past the self-hatred, the shame, the guilt, and looking deeper into yourself. A way of appreciating yourself, respecting yourself. That is my wish for you today, my dear friend. If you're going through something, don't hesitate to reach out, to connect. It's a joy for me to connect to you. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.